Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. As you can tell, the background behind me is a little bit different. So I'm kind of on a mini getaway right now, local to about 4 hours away from where I live. But I did bring my boxycharm with me, so I thought I would go ahead and unbox it with you guys here. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box, then just please keep on watching.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Okay, so I haven't even sneak peeked in here yet. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right up. So this week's theme is, or this month's theme is glam vibes only. I don't really get this, but I'm gonna keep that out just so I can read off of it for the things that I did get in this palette. And oh my god, I got what I wanted. So that's pretty exciting, but we'll get there. So my choice item, I ended up choosing the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. I'm almost out of my current one, but I always get these in like subscription boxes, so I never really have to buy my own. So that's what that looks like. And I'm just gonna see if it actually smells like cherries, because I don't really smell cherries, but I'm excited to use this because I know Pharmacy's a pretty good brand. I did bring their, what is their green clean cleansing balm or whatever with me, so that's kind of fun. And then I got this Trestique Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essentials set, which comes with like 4 little sticks. So I think there's like a highlight stick, a blush stick, a mini shadow crayon, a mini brow pencil. I don't know if I'll use this because I got one before, I think in my FabFitFun, and I gave it away. So the Pharmacy Eye Cream retails for $45, and then this set retails for $42, which I would never pay that for this, but it is what it is, I guess. I don't know. I did get a 3-piece mask set from SF Glow. Looks like this. It says that it is their Glam in Paradise Cannabis Sativa 3-piece mask set. It's a gold foil leopard print sheet mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil and designed to deliver total skin satisfaction and Insta-worthy selfies. Okay, so I guess we'll give those a shot. And then I got a mascara, which I don't really care to get mascaras because, these masks retail for 18 bucks. And second last thing. So this is a Laura Geller Volumizing brush. Why does it say, no, it's a mascara. It's a volumizing mascara. So it's vegan, PEG free, paraben free. This mascara retails for $24. I don't know if it's the full size. I'm not gonna open it, but I just wanna see what the packaging looks like. Oh my God. Just in case I don't decide to keep it, but that's what it looks like. I might just give that away to my friend. But what I'm so excited about is I really wanted the Alimore Cosmetic Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. This guy retails for $28, and I think it comes with 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. So let's see. Oh, hang on. It's got one of those lovely little sticky things. This is what the palette looks like. I hope you can see it all. So you get 4 shimmers and 4 mattes, and the shimmers look absolutely amazing. So we'll see how those do. I'm excited to use that. I love the purples in this. It's not bad. I would probably buy this at $28 too. So it says that the mattes are best used dry and the metallics are best used wet. No, oh, it has little symbols on the back. So when you look at the shadows here, it'll have a symbol beside it, and the symbol means whether you can use it wet or dry, or what it's best used as. So I like that because Alimore is an indie brand. I think they just hit Target stores in the US, but they are cruelty free as well, which is awesome. Yeah, so what I'll do, just because we're headed to the beach right now, so I want to go get ready and help prepare, I will just total up what my box was worth, and I'll put that in right here somewhere. And I'm sorry that this is just a quick short video, but I am on vacation, so I really do want to enjoy my time here. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you got in your boxycharm as well. And if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. I would love for you to join our little family here on YouTube. And I promise I will be back with more consistent videos. My setup for my studio is almost done, so I should be back in no time. So you will get this video, plus I'm trying to film some vlog footage. I don't know if I'm gonna put that up, we'll see. Yeah, so hopefully by the end of this week, so closer to Friday, I'll have something more normal up on my channel. So yeah, I'll have a little bit of an update why I was away and stuff too. I just wanted to quickly get this one up for you guys. So I hope you are all having a great weekend. I hope that you're staying safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.